Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best motherboard that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Are you struggling with unstable performance, limited upgrade options, or a motherboard that can't keep up with modern gaming? Many gamers still use old boards that don't support PCIe 4.0, fast networking, or future Ryzen upgrades, causing lag, slow loading, and bottleneck issues. If that sounds like you, this motherboard might be the upgrade you need. Meet the ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2, a premium AM4 gaming motherboard designed for 3rd-gen Ryzen processors with powerful features and modern connectivity. This motherboard is packed with high-end gaming features. PCIe 4.0 support for ultra-fast GPU and SSD performance. Wi-Fi 6E plus Bluetooth for next-gen wireless speed and stability. 2.5 gigabits LAN for low-latency competitive gaming. BIOS flashback for easy updates without CPU or RAM installed. AuraSync RGB plus addressable Gen 2 RGB headers for full lighting control. HDMI 2.1 support for modern display compatibility. Optimized for AMD Ryzen 3000 and 5000 series CPUs. Pros: strong VRM for stable performance. Excellent connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E plus 2.5 gigabits LAN. PCIe 4.0 future-proofing. Premium build quality and cooling. Cons: not the cheapest B550 board. No PCIe 5.0 support, limited by AM4 platform. Perfect for gamers building a high-performance Ryzen PC. Streamers needing stable internet plus multitasking power. Users upgrading from older B450 or low-end B550 boards. RGB enthusiasts and custom PC builders. At around $139.99, this board offers strong value for a feature-rich gaming setup. It's not entry-level, but for performance, stability, and future-ready features, it delivers excellent value. Number 4. Meet the GIGABYTE B550MK, a budget-friendly micro-ATX motherboard built for AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors with solid essential features for everyday gaming and productivity. This motherboard delivers strong value in a compact design. AMD B550 chipset with PCIe 4.0 support for faster GPU and SSD performance. Supports Ryzen 3000/4000/5000 series CPUs. Dual M.2 slots for high-speed NVMe SSD storage. 3+3 power phase design for stable entry-level performance. Gigabit LAN (GBE) for reliable wired internet connection. QFlash support for easy BIOS updates. DDR4 support up to 3200 MHz plus OC. USB 3.2 Gen 1 for faster data transfer. Pros: very affordable price point. PCIe 4.0 supported budget level. Dual M.2 storage options. Compact micro ATX size fits small builds. Cons: basic VRM design, not for heavy overclocking. Limited premium features, no Wi-Fi, fewer heatsinks. Not ideal for high-end Ryzen 9 builds. Perfect for budget gaming PC builders. Entry-level Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 7 users. Small form factor, micro ATX, PC builds. Students or everyday workstation setups. At just $69.99, this is one of the cheapest ways to enter the B550 plus PCIe 4.0 platform. Great value if you want performance basics without spending too much. Number 3. Meet the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6, an ATX AMD B550 motherboard designed for Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series CPUs with modern connectivity and strong mid-range performance. This board brings a solid mix of performance and modern features. AMD B550 chipset with PCIe 4.0 support for fast GPU and NVMe SSD speeds. Compatible with Ryzen 3000/4000/5000 processors. Strong 10+3 power phase design for stable CPU performance. Dual M.2 slots for high-speed storage expansion. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 for fast and stable wireless connectivity. Gigabit LAN (GBE) for low-latency wired gaming. USB-C support for modern devices and faster transfer speeds. PCIe Easy Latch design for easy GPU installation/removal. RGB fusion lighting control for custom aesthetics. Pros: excellent value for Wi-Fi 6 plus PCIe 4.0 combo. Strong 10+3 power design for stability. Easy GPU installation with easy latch. Good upgrade path for Ryzen 5000 CPUs. Cons: no premium heatsink heavy flagship design. BIOS and tuning options are more mid-range level. Not ideal for extreme overclocking. Perfect for gamers building a balanced mid-range Ryzen PC. Users who want built-in Wi-Fi 6 without extra adapters. Upgraders from older B450/B350 boards. Content creators on a budget who still need stability. At around $99.99, this board sits in the sweet spot between budget and performance. You get Wi-Fi 6, PCIe 4.0, strong power design, and modern features, making it a very solid value for a future-ready AM4 build. Number 2. Meet the GIGABYTE B550 Gaming XV2, a solid ATX AMD B550 motherboard built for Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors, offering strong gaming performance at a budget-friendly price. This motherboard focuses on stable gaming performance and essential modern features. AMD B550 chipset with PCIe 4.0 support for faster GPU and NVMe SSD performance. Supports Ryzen 3000/4000/5000 series CPUs. 10+3 power phase design for stable power delivery during gaming. Dual M.2 slots for high-speed storage expansion. Front USB-C header for modern case connectivity. Gigabit LAN (GBE) for reliable online gaming. QFlash Plus for BIOS updates without CPU or RAM. RGB fusion support for customizable lighting effects. Pros: strong value for gaming builds. Stable 10+3 power design. PCIe 4.0 support at affordable price. Easy BIOS update with QFlash Plus. Cons: no built-in Wi-Fi. Basic design compared to premium boards. Limited high-end cooling/heatsinks. Perfect for budget to mid-range gaming PC builders. Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 7 users. Gamers who prefer wired internet setup. Users upgrading from older AM4 motherboards. At around $89.99, this board is a strong budget gaming option. You get PCIe 4.0, dual M.2, stable power design, and modern features, making it a great value AM4 motherboard for gaming builds without overspending. Number 1. Meet the ASUS TUF Gaming B550 Plus Wi-Fi 2, a durable and feature-packed AM4 ATX motherboard designed for 3rd-gen Ryzen processors, offering strong gaming stability and modern connectivity. This motherboard is built for performance, stability, and long-term reliability. PCIe 4.0 support for high-speed GPU and NVMe SSD performance. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 for faster and more stable wireless gaming. 2.5 gigabits LAN for ultra-low latency wired connections. BIOS flashback for easy updates without CPU or RAM. USB 3.2 Gen 2 for fast data transfer and modern device support. Aura Sync Plus addressable Gen 2 RGB headers for lighting customization. Strong TUF military-grade durability design for long lifespan. Supports up to 128 GB DDR4 memory. Pros: very stable and durable build quality, TUF series advantage. Excellent connectivity, Wi-Fi 6 plus 2.5 gigabits LAN. Strong VRM for Ryzen 5 of 7 gaming builds. Great long-term reliability. Cons: slightly more expensive than basic B550 boards. Not ideal for extreme overclocking enthusiasts. Design is functional, not flashy. Perfect for gamers wanting stable long-term AM4 build. Streamers needing strong internet plus performance balance. Users upgrading from older B450 boards. anyone who values reliability over RGB-heavy design. At around $119.99, it sits in the mid-range B550 category. You're paying for stability, Wi-Fi 6, 2.5 gigabits LAN, and TUF durability, making it a solid value for serious gaming setups. If you're building a reliable Ryzen gaming PC, this board is a strong pick. Check the link in the description for the best deal. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more PC hardware breakdowns and reviews.